Traditional software isn't evolving, it's being replaced, and most people won't realize it until the tools they rely on every day just stop working the way they used to. For decades, software followed a simple model. You bought a product, installed it, learned how to use it, and adapted your workflow around it. That model is dying.
Because the future of software isn't something you use, it's something that works for you. Here's what's happening. Traditional software is built on rigid interfaces, dashboards, menus, buttons. You click, type, navigate, repeat. But that assumes one thing, that you are doing the work. Now, that's changing. AI is flipping the model entirely. Instead of learning software, software is learning you. That's the first shift. You're no longer navigating tools. You're describing outcomes. Instead of opening 5 apps to complete a task, you just say, create a report from last month's sales, highlight trends, and send it to my team. And it happens. No dashboard, no manual steps, no friction. That's not an upgrade, that's a replacement. Here's the second shift, and this is where it gets bigger. Software is becoming invisible. The best tools in the future won't look like software at all. No complex UI, no training manuals, no onboarding, just intent and execution. Think about that. If the interface disappears, the barrier to entry disappears with it, which means anyone can do what used to require expertise. That's why this isn't just a tech shift, it's a power shift. The third shift, software is becoming autonomous, not just responding, but acting. AI agents don't wait for instructions step by step. They take a goal and execute across systems. They pull data, make decisions, trigger actions, adjust in real time, and they don't get tired. They don't forget. They don't slow down. So instead of tools, you get digital operators. If software becomes invisible and execution becomes automated, then what's left for humans? Not tasks, not processes, but judgment, strategy, direction, decision-making. The people who win in this shift won't be the ones who know how to use software. They'll be the ones who know what to ask for. Because in a world where execution is instant, clarity becomes the bottleneck. And most people aren't prepared for that. Here's the real takeaway. Traditional software forced you to think in steps. The new model forces you to think in outcomes. That sounds simple, but it's not. It requires you to understand the problem deeply enough to define the result clearly. And that's where most businesses break. So no software isn't just changing. It's disappearing into something faster, smarter, and far more powerful. And the companies that adapt early won't just move faster. They'll operate on an entirely different level. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.